Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's May 17th, 2023. Let's get this thing started. We're going to talk about Ethereum Classic today to see if this currency can actually run up to $40 at the end of this year or release within the next 6 months or so. So if we were to look at the price right now in Ethereum Classic, you guys can see it's trading around $18.44. For us to see the market in Ethereum Classic run up to 40 bucks, that's 117% move to the upside by the end of this year. Now, let's be realistic and actually talk about that. It doesn't look like it's feasible. Not right now. Here it is. We're mid-May right now. Half of the years has already been gone. In 6 months, could Ethereum Classic run up 117%? There's a chance, but it doesn't look likely considering looking at the price chart at how many restriction areas are from where price currently is in Ethereum Classic to where $40 is now. Okay, so let's just keep that into perspective. I'm not saying that it's not going to happen, but it doesn't look feasible as of today. Now, anything could change in the next 6 months, 7 months. We can actually still see some strength, some bullishness occurring to the cryptocurrency market that can actually push price up that level. Now, let's get back to the original price prediction though. So you guys can see I did my video in Ethereum Classic. The last one I did was on May the 5th. So let me show you where the price for Ethereum Classic was on May the 5th. And there it is. And you guys can see we constructed this downtrend line, right? We wanted to focus on how strong will the price be in Ethereum Classic. And we already knew that as long as price traded below that line, that we know the market is generally weaker than it is giving us strength. And we're still here to this day. So again, nothing has changed in terms of sentiment. The overall market is still feeling weaker than it is feeling stronger. So we have to take note of that. Okay, so take that into consideration as we continue to look forward to where Ethereum Classic is going to move. I'm going to take this horizontal line here and we're going to utilize it for our area of support at the last day that we came to 17 bucks, which was on May the 8th. We're going to utilize that as our most current area to where buyers at least stepped in. Okay, so here it is. What do you think? Do you think price in Ethereum Classic is bullish? Do you think it's bearish, or do you just simply think that it's just a tradable market? Because also I do suspect that the market in Ethereum Classic is just tradable. I mean, it's not really giving us overall bias trend. Either the market's going to hold $17 here, or support is going to come all the way back down to 16. Okay, so this is the trading range that we're currently seeing into the market in Ethereum Classic. So within these two lines, yes, we are seeing price trend to the downside. Okay, but generally this is the overall momentum. I mean, for the whole year of 2023, we've simply just seen price in Ethereum hit 16, run up to 25, come back down to 16, run up to 2250, and now we're bouncing off 17. So even within this trading lines, I mean these two lines, you guys can see how price is making lower highs. Again, that tells you that the overall market is still weak. We're trading within the channel, but still within that trading in the channel, price is still making lower highs. Okay, so let's take a look at Ethereum Classic real quick here on the 3-day chart. And here it is there again. So again, I'm not really looking at too much. I mean, I really don't see anything here that would substantiate that Ethereum Classic is bullish and that it is bearish. Looking at this on the 5-day chart, I don't like how price is showing some resistance right here. It would have been great for us to see price in Ethereum Classic currently trade above 20 bucks, but it's not there. So again, add that to the basket of weakness in Ethereum Classic. So we're noticing the market in Ethereum Classic making lower highs, right? We also notice that price is now trading below $20. Those two things is indicative of weakness. Okay, here's Ethereum Classic on the weekly chart. Here it is on the 2 weeks, 3. Here it is on the 5. I really don't like the 5 weekly chart, especially in the next 4 days and 14 hours. If we see the market in Ethereum Classic close down here on the low, we definitely are going to come down and test 16 and maybe even $14. Just giving you all a heads up on that. So let me look at this on the 3 months real quick. Let's look at this on the 2. I'm trying to look at this on a longer term basis for that $40 target. And like I said, we need to see some buyers come into the market first. And I don't see it yet. So what should we do? Well, the question is, what are you looking forward to? Because like I said, I don't like that the price in Ethereum Classic is trading below 20 bucks. I don't like that. And then we're trending down right now. So either market's going to continue to hold $18, $17, or we're going to see it come all the way back down to $16.50 to 16. So I really don't see a lot. And when you don't see a lot in the market for the cryptocurrency space, it's not a bad idea just to sit back and kick back and move on to a different market. There's nothing here as of right now in Ethereum Classic. So unfortunately, 6 minutes into the video, I'm not going to drop a price prediction. You guys can. But just because I'm not dropping a price prediction doesn't mean that I don't suspect what's going to happen. So this is what I think is going to happen in terms of price action for Ethereum Classic. It's just going to trade. It's just going to trade and meander in between these two lines, which is drawn on my chart. The current direction obviously is movement to the downside. We're definitely seeing a little bit more weakness than strength, but there are also buyers on multiple time frames reflecting that they're willing to buy this currency. Another reason why I'm not all that bearish. So I need a little bit more information off of the market to determine which one between the buyers and the sellers is really trying to grab a hold of price and actually move the market. Neither one of those sides has done it yet. So until I get that, we're just going to simply look for the price in Ethereum Classic trade. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.